A quick note before we get started and about GitHub, if you want to get the finished project, I'm going to link it in a zip file so you can just copy that and install it on your device and you have everything that you need for the project already made and finished. However, if you do want to check out like different parts of this tutorial, so maybe we are on episode 4 in this project and you want to check out exactly what we have built so far, I'm going to show you a cool method that you can use. So moving on from now on, after every video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to save it on GitHub, and that way you can check it out. Like after each video, you can check out where we are in the project. Okay, so if you have any issues, you can just check out with GitHub, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So hopefully you have a GitHub account. If you don't, please make one. Search up a quick tutorial how to get it up and running. It's really not that complicated. But once you have that, I'm going to upload this project that we're going to be making on GitHub. And I'm going to link that in this video somewhere. It's going to be here, okay? I already rebuilt the project once just so I can show you how you can navigate. So again, you're going to arrive eventually to a link here that I'm going to be putting up here in the video. And you're going to go here to code, okay? And you're going to have a GitHub code here with the project. So what I'm going to do is copy this, hit that button, and then you're just going to go into VS Code, and I'm just going to navigate to an empty folder here. I'm going to go here and call this GitHub, how to GitHub. Okay, there we go. So we are in an empty folder, nothing set up. And what you're going to do is hit Control tilde or go here to the terminal and hit New Terminal. And what you're going to do is say git clone and paste that link. Okay, and hit Enter. And that's going to clone this whole entire project for us that we just built. Now, if we open up, so let's just go to Open Folder and just open this up, Capture Build. Okay. Right there, we have the whole project here up and running. We have the images, we have the transitions, everything set up. However, we don't have that node modules. Okay, so we have to install the necessary packages like React and all the other stuff that are in the package.json. That is the beautiful thing. You can just open up the terminal again and just say npm install, and it's going to install all the packages that I already installed for you. So we just let this run. Once it's finished, we are ready to go. Well, it's gonna take a while, and there we go. So now you can just hit npm start, and that's gonna run the project. And there we go. We have the whole finished project up and running. Okay. Now, what if you're watching the video and you want to navigate to a specific part? You can just do this. Now I recommend you to, let me close this up with Control C. I recommend you to start your project separately from this. Use this tool only to compare your code with my code, okay? So again, this is used just in case something does not work out. I still want you to follow along with me and build out the project together with me. Okay, so install this separately. Just clone it to another folder in your project, and just in case you have issues. Okay. So here's what you do. What you do is you say git log here, and as you can see, it's gonna show you every commit I did on GitHub. So every time we save the project and I added a new video or something, it's gonna show up here with a commit and a random code here. Now, when we're gonna build out the project, I'm gonna add clear messages here so you know where we are. So I'm gonna say episode 5 or video 5, adding animations, episode 6, adding whatever, adding the second page. So you can just go and search for that specific part in the video where we are. Let's say here where we add the FAQ section. What you're gonna do is copy this code here, Control C, and you're gonna close up this terminal now. So you can hit Q. Okay, and then what you can do is say git checkout and paste this code. And what it's gonna do, as you can see, it kind of messed around with my code here. It's gonna jump our code exactly to that part section of the video that we are in. Okay, so where we are building out the FAQ section. So now you can check out the code here blah, blah, blah. You can see what's up, what we made so far. And when you want to exit out, you just say git switch and a line like that. And look at this, when I hit enter, it's going to switch back to the finished project. So whenever you want to check out a chapter or a part of the video, you can just say git log, get the code of that specific part of the project that we are in, and you can jump back to that point. Okay, and that's it. So again, I'm gonna link the new GitHub that we're gonna actually build out right now, because I'm gonna refilm it to teach you how to do this project. Okay, let's get going. This is gonna be fun.